तो चैप्टर क्लास 3 टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू रिवाइज विथ यू चैप्टर 18 कैरिंग फॉर द वर्ल्ड. ओके, chapter 18 caring for the world. Chapter 18 caring for the world. Okay, now tell me what does the 3R stands for. 3R जो होते हैं वो किस लिए होता है? What does the 3 R's What does the 3 R's stand for? Okay, ये 3 R जो है what does it stand for? ये 3 R किस लिए होते हैं? क्या कोई बताएगा? What does this 3 R stand for? These 3 R is yes. These 3 yes. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Yes. Yes. Answer is the 3 R's. Stand for reduce, reuse, recycle. The 3 R stand for reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, these 3 R stand for this. Understood? Now who can say what are the 2 uses? Right. What does the 3 R's stand for? The 3 R's stand for reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, understood? Now if I ask you one question, that what are the 2 causes of air pollution? What are the 2 causes for air pollution? What will you say? अगर मैं पूछूं एयर पोल्यूशन का 2 कारण क्या है, आप क्या बताइएगा? What are the 2 causes for air pollution? Okay, yes, the 2 causes. मैंने पूछा सेकंड क्वेश्चन, what are the 2 causes of air pollution? Okay, what are the 2 causes for air pollution? What are the 2 causes for air pollution? So answer will be The two causes for air pollution are: one, smokes coming out from the factories, and second, the smoke coming out from the vehicles. Okay. So the two causes of air pollution are smoke from factories and smoke from vehicles. Okay, understood? Yes. Now the third question, if I am asking, what are the two causes of water pollution? वाटर पॉल्यूशन का टू कॉजेस क्या है बताइए. What you are going to say? What will be the answer? Yes, say. Yes. So there are many causes. Water pollution, there are many causes. But the out of these any two you have to say. I ask. So any two causes that one. Draining of our wastage, toilet wastage in the water. Draining of our toilet wastage in our water. And second, draining of factory waste into the rivers and seas. Okay, draining of our toilet and waste into the water bodies, and second, draining of factory waste into the water bodies. Okay, these are the out of many, these are the two causes of water pollution. Now if I ask question 3, what are the two causes of soil pollution? What are the two causes of soil pollution? What will you say? Tell me the answer. What are the two causes? There can be many, 3, 4, 5. But I ask, tell me any two. Tell me any two causes of soil pollution. Okay. So any two causes of soil pollution are: one, using of pesticide and insecticide by the farmers. Using of pesticides and insecticides by the farmers. And second, throwing of toxic and harmful substances like crackers, burning crackers, materials and plastics and other such toxic substances into the soil. These mix up with the soil and harm the soil. Okay? Using of bombs, using of weapons, all these also pollute the soil. Now the next question. Next question is, what will you do to save the environment? What will you do to save the environment? See, this is our environment, this world is our environment. The city where you are living, that is your environment. Okay? Then the country where you are living, that is your environment. In fact, the whole earth where we are living is our environment. Okay? So what we are going to do in that? Any one way. Any one way. Do not cut trees. Very good. Anushka has said, do not cut trees. Very good. Any other have any other ways? Khushi Kumari also saying do not cut trees. Any other way? How can we save the environment? Yes. We can reduce the use of products made in factories. क्योंकि अगर हम ज़्यादा यूज़ करेंगे तो ज़्यादा चीज़ फैक्ट्री में बनेंगी और ज़्यादा चीज़ फैक्ट्री में बनेंगी तो वो स्मोक निकलेगा फैक्ट्री से जो क्लाउड में जाकर एनवायरनमेंट को गंदा करता है. ओके. एनी अदर वे? Any other way to save the environment? Yes. Yes, we should not throw garbage or any wastage into the water bodies. Or if you are throwing it also, we should dispose it properly. Okay? You should not throw garbage or any other toxic substances into the water bodies. Okay? Understood? Give away to, we should care for plants. Good. Yes, we should grow more trees and more plants. Okay. We do not go to throw plastics back into the water. Good. Good. Then how can we save our school from getting polluted? अब बताओ, माने तुम स्कूल में आ रहे हो, how you are going to save your school from getting polluted? तुम अपने स्कूल को कैसे बचाओगे pollute होने से? अब बताओ, how will you save your school from getting polluted? There are many ways. Do not, Anushka is saying, do not make our earth dirty. ठीक है? Then Khushi Kumar is saying, do not make our earth dirty. Okay? But how can we make our school, the environment of our school, we don't waste food? Okay. Alka is saying we should don't waste food. Then Akshat is saying we should plant more trees in our school. Very good, Akshat. We should grow more plants in our school. We should plant more trees in our school. Very good, Khushi. So we should plant more trees in our school. This is one of the way to keep our school environment free. Then Swati is saying we should plant more trees in our school. Good. Then any other way? How to keep our school environment pollution free? Any other way? What Mohit Pandey is saying, we should plant more trees in our school. Yes, that is also good. Then there is also many other ways also. We should not throw any paper waste, or we should not throw any wrappers, especially plastics, in our school environment. Okay? We should keep our school clean. Yes. We should not hurt plant. Very good, Alka. We should not hurt plant because many plants are so sensitive that if we are going to hurt these plants, they are going to die. And if the plants are going to die, then our environment cannot be pollution free. Okay? Yes, I'm thinking we should not we should not during the in some of the schools people also play माने कि they organize holies and other festivals in the school environment, but we should not, because colors have harmful chemicals. Okay, they have harmful chemicals which can pollute the environment, and during the Holi and other festival they throw colors and they throw in the soil, they throw to each other. In this way also the school environment get dirty. Okay, these are some of the ways. Now tell me one more question. How can we stop pollution from vehicles? मान स्मोक फ्रॉम व्हीकल्स, मतलब वो जो गाड़ी से धुएं निकलते हैं ना, कोई भी गाड़ी देखोगे, कार बसेस, तरफ काले काले धुएं छोड़ते हैं, ये एनवायरनमेंट के लिए बहुत ही खराब है। क्या करना चाहिए इसके लिए? व्हाट एक्शन शुड बी टेक, व्हाट रेमेडियल एक्टिविटीज शुड बी टेक टू स्टॉप? We should throw the plastic in the dustbin. It's okay to see, but what I am asking now, how should we stop harmful smoke that coming out from the vehicle? गाड़ियों से जो harmful chemicals निकलता है, उसे हम कैसे रोक सकते हैं? Tell me. There are many ways. सबसे पहले, yes, very good Alka, we should use cycle for short distances. Yes, Alka has said we should use cycle for short distances. Kushi also said we should use cycle for short distances, क्योंकि अगर हम साइकिल शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस के लिए यूज करेंगे तो साइकिल किसी पेट्रोल या डीजल में नहीं चलता, तो वो कोई स्मोक नहीं छोड़ता. It keeps the environment pollution free. So for short distance we should use साइकिल्स. और क्या वी शुड नॉट यूज व्हीकल फॉर शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस? यस, हम लोग व्हीकल का इस्तेमाल ना करें, हम लोग साइकिल का इस्तेमाल करें शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस के लिए. और दूसरा कारण क्या है? जितना हो सके वी शुड कीप द नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल्स लेस. कुछ घरों में देखा जाता है कि यस मोहित पांडे गुड, वी शुड यूज साइकिल फॉर शॉर्ट डिस्टेंसेस. कुछ घरों में ये देखा जाता है कि फादर का एक गाड़ी है, देन बेटे का भी एक गाड़ी है, देन मम्मी की एक गाड़ी है. और या क्या है, वेरी गुड अक्सर वी शुड यूज इलेक्ट्रिकल कार्स. यस, आजकल क्या होता है कि कुछ कार और इंजन ऐसे हैं, गाड़ियां जो इलेक्ट्रिक से चलते हैं, इंजन या पेट्रोल या डीजल से नहीं. तो वी शुड यूज such cars and vehicles and motorbikes and all those things जो इलेक्ट्रिक से चलते हैं, रिचार्ज होते हैं. ओके, हमें ऐसा व्हीकल यूज करना चाहिए जो पेट्रोल या डीजल से नहीं बट इलेक्ट्रिक से चलता हो. ये भी एक तरीका है स्मोक को रोकने का गाड़ी से. देन जितना हो सके वी शुड यूज लेस नंबर ऑफ कार्स, लेस नंबर ऑफ बसेस, सो दैट लेस स्मोक कैन कम. चलो, I hope you have understood properly, right? And today I am going to give you, today I am going to give you the syllabus for PT10, both of English as well as for EVS. Both I will give you, understood? Today I will give you the syllabus of EVS and English to you, okay? And I hope whatever I have explained you have understood it. तुमको अच्छे समझ में आया होगा। ओके, चलो, नाउ आई एम एंडिंग माई क्लास हियर। ओके, बाय।